Miyam daing ngasi remind tong handing ba duga thamjaning ba madi. We need to educate our people the need to protect forests and wildlife. Akhoi state sida leiriba praja singa yam base kari gidamakta wildlife protecto haibno kari gidamakta forest protecto forest preserve to haibno habise koi bahap tabangamdri. Forest wildlife and human life say chaminabani have say convinced tawdri aduna khoina reserve forest have kanda adugo wildlife sanctuary protection pin of have kanda protected forest haina khoina lothok ngai hona bakanda people singi afaba khande government bodum suspect over department ye kanable lebigi damakta onatra government ye kanable lebigi damakta lamlo ngai hona bagi policy ma tawri have sigi wakhanna hana hek thokpa. We can't blame the public, particularly the forest dwellers, because they thought they have been living in this kind of environment for centuries together. And they do not feel the danger of deforestation or killing of wildlife. Mi yam khatpa, population pressure se prithivida, chahi chegi hanjilakpa, forest se mangsilakpa, forest mangsilakpa nena wildlife su mathang dung manglakpa, forest ga wildlife ki ga mari yam leina basi jo khoi ahalaman sing dikhangi but ai haiman gidra dikhangde but people of this generation matung da lakhado basu suna khoi khan basu yaudaba ahalaman sing na ishona piba makhoi da instinct on knowledge adusu amuk ahalaman sing laikhe da matung da adugi su knowledge su mung laitraba we are neither educated nor ignorant. We are in the middle at this juncture. Aduna, akwai government na tobo khuding makse public sing na suspicion. Mako yuwakhanda kari gumba public itamak kanaba labor itamak ne haibagi wakhansi thokta bida. Government is going to take away the land. Government is going to take away the forests. Government is going to take away the rights. Haibagi wakhan hekta thokpa. Maybe akwai na sigumba pangthopa kanda. Public will educate the bagi maramsu iram gani lobani. What is the benefit that the native people living in the forests will get from this kind of facilities? What are the facilities available for people living in the forests? Haibasi fazana educate over makhatana toba darkar lei haise thamjadinge. Not only this is not only the responsibility of the forest department, but each and every individual's responsibility. Maramdi, we live or perish together in this planet. If nature is against us, it will not be against the forest department only. It will not be against the chief minister or ministers who is so concerned about this. But when the nature go against the humanity, they will not select who is who. Nature will go against the entire human race. Now, as of now, we're so cruel to the animals, we're so cruel to the environment, so cruel to the forest. A day will come that nature will go against us. Now we have started facing this kind of nature's wrath on the people. We have seen a frequent flood, we have seen frequent cyclones. This is a sign that nature is going against the humanity now, because we are cruel towards the nature. With this short speech, let me end my speech here. Thank you.